Good morning, everyone. This is a good day. This is day 5, I think, of our day trading journey as a complete beginner. And last night we talked about I was in my soul trade, and this is what happened. All right, we got in around here, and it kind of just bounced up and down, and then it quickly shot up to my second buy zone, went down, and I sold right here for full profit. The goal is not to be greedy. Yes, if I held it down to here, I would have got more profit, but I don't know what was going to happen. I was happy taking profits right here. Okay, and then following that, I went along and continued and actually took another trade this morning because I checked my alerts. The daily trade analysis today is for bearish, so ideally want to short. And from the smart alerts couple out, maybe I think an hour and a bit ago, they had a sold short, so things are all actually matching up. So I took that sold short to taking this low and this high. I've got buy 1, buy 2, didn't quite get that secondary buy, but because we got the buy 1, we're going to see if we can hold it down to over here today. Okay, so yesterday we made a nice profit of $22 PNL. Today for the sold trade, we're up right now around $8 right now. Okay, so we're going to see how this plays out today. If this decides to actually go break through this zone and then come back and retest, I'll take another trade with the fib, taking that low to the previous high, which will probably be here. Okay, that's the goal for today. So I'm pretty happy with this trade. If it does hit up to the secondary buy limit, which it looks like it's having a little pump here, we'll get out right at this zone. Okay, so we're going to see how this plays out today. If this decides to actually go break through this zone and then come back and retest, I'll take another trade with the fib, taking that low to the previous high, which will probably be here. Okay, that's the goal for today. So I'm pretty happy with this trade. If it does hit up to the secondary buy limit, which it looks like it's having a little pump here, we'll get out right at this zone. Remember guys, so the goal is if it ever gets close to the secondary buy limit, we want to exit right here quickly because we don't know what's going to happen to the market. All right, that's the quick update. But in terms of the analysis for today, if we look at the Bitcoin chart, we'll draw out to 4 hours. Yesterday, no, actually a couple days ago, we said that if this breaks this high, it might keep going up, but it just decided to just fully go down, and it seems like it might just range the market honestly from here and here, and seeing if there's going to be a rapid breakdown or go up. Okay, but nonetheless, we'll focus on our soul trade. Once we're focused on our soul trade, we'll see how it goes. And it looks like I just got an alert that I got my secondary buy limit right here. So right now we're just aiming to exit at this point. Keep you guys updated. I wanted to just get this to see if I can get this live trade in for you guys. Got that second buy and we're out. Beautiful. So you can see from that trade we got $18 profit. It was a little bit lower just because I think there was a lot of liquidation and a lot of orders, so the fills and buys weren't excellent. That's why the closing fee was so expensive. Look at that, almost $6. Man, I could buy a Macca's burgers with that. But it is what it is. I'm gonna set a alert already done here so that it tells me when this breaks this new low. When that breaks there, I'm gonna look to take another position to see if we can get another short. All right, so this is really playing everything according to plan. Right now we're back baby. 400 bucks, almost back to that 500 of where we began, and we're going to keep going. But remember, I need to tell myself not to get greedy, keep the profits consistent, and don't overtrade. All right, that's the goal for this week. Hopefully by the end of this week we'll be up, or at least back to the $500 that we started with. And right now I'm actually gonna go prepare for some cyclone stuff. We've got Cyclone Alfred coming to Queensland. I don't know if you watched the videos, but a bunch of Aussies have been going surfing. They don't really care about the cyclone. In fact, I think some people are probably even a bit excited about it. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm gonna go see if I can fix up the roof, making sure that our panels don't get all blown away, and hopefully nothing happens. No power outages. If there is a power outage, I might not be able to film. So we'll see how that goes.
Alright guys, time to fix up the roof, put some nails in before the cyclone comes in. Alright guys, before it was raining, now hopefully it's a bit better. I got back from basketball. It's still raining a bit, so let's quickly get this over and done with. Hopefully I don't die. Let's go. Okay, just to show you guys quickly what it looks like above, and we're gonna see how there's already water. This thing kind of flaps up really easily. Gotta secure that. Lucky last. This one should be a bit easier. Just gonna screw it here. Don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna screw it so that this is together. Okay, beautiful. Hopefully we're ready for the cyclone up here. Let's get down, shower, see if there's any other good trades coming up.
Okay, so just got back from basketball, and this is a quick update on the trade that I took in the evening. Now, in the morning, I said that once it breaks this low, hopefully it retests and goes back up, and that's exactly what happened. It broke the low, and so I'm like, okay, great, let's take that trade. So I got rid of this, and I took the low of here and the high of here, and set my orders in. Buy 1, buy 2, buy 3. So quickly, I managed to get my order in at the first buy, went down, but then went up to the second buy. And now at the second buy, I didn't decide to sell here. I wanted to leave it to see if it can get a bit more profits here, just because it has been trending in quite a better direction. And I think long term, this strategy will be able to provide us a lot more profits. So we took that risk and it went down to that first sell that we could have got, but then it quickly shot back up, went into our second buy, and I got out, right? And it kind of went up. So now this is where it's at. So right now it looks like the market is kind of ranging up and down, not really picking a clear direction. So that's probably going to be my last trade of the day, just so that I let the markets cool down, kind of pick a direction of where they want to go. So on here, you can see my account size now is 300 USDT. Because of that trade, I'm lost $103. But nonetheless, I still think it was a good trade, playing according to the market sentiment. Before we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 win streak trade. So I think this strategy definitely will work, but then I have to pick a better timing for my markets, really putting focus on not trading during the London sessions and the US trading stock market sessions. Okay, so that's probably it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.